Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Nissan Altima air conditioner. Begin by diagnosing the system step by step, checking airflow, compressor sound, and refrigerant lines for leaks or frost. Then verify cabin filter condition and blower motor operation. Use basic tools like a pressure gauge and a flashlight, and take notes on any irregular symptoms so you can target repairs efficiently and safely without guessing. Start with common, affordable fixes that often restore cool air quickly. Swap a clogged cabin filter, tighten or reseal visible refrigerant fittings, and test the blower motor and resistor for proper voltage and rotation. If the compressor clutch shows wear, inspect its electrical feed and fuses before replacing expensive parts. Keep a basic parts list and budget estimate to avoid surprises during repairs and to decide when professional help makes sense. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car repair tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth really changed how I think about saving and planning, and it pairs nicely with budgeting for car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a copy if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Know when a DIY ends, and a pro is needed to avoid costly mistakes. Get professional help for compressor replacements, major electrical issues, or if the AC system requires evacuation and refrigerant recovery. Certified technicians have proper tools and can handle high-pressure diagnostics safely. Keep receipts and note symptoms to speed diagnosis, and consider second opinions for major repairs to ensure you are getting necessary work at a fair price.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.